We're here in the Cisco store and we're about to talk to the three authors of the new Cisco press book, TCL Scripting for Cisco iOS, Arvind Durai, Raymond Blair, and John Lautman. There's John.
Hi.
There's Arvind. And there's Ray. Guys, what was the original idea behind this book? How did you come to bring this project up, running, and to where it is today?
I think fundamentally what we determined was that there was a significant need for TCL both in the field as well as for our customers. And that's one of those topics that really hasn't been very well publicized, and the amount of power, the capabilities that are incorporated within TCL and applets and EEM, it's really a very powerful tool. And part of this was really to get the word out on what a great feature functionality that those particular services happen to offer on iOS.
Arvind, why TCL? Why not Python or another scripting environment?
Because from a TCL, Cisco iOS already has built-in this thing for TCL. The other thing is this has been out for years, and it was only inside Cisco people used to use this. So through this book, we have seen a lot of customer designs and all those stuff where we use TCL scripts and EEM to make customized designs for the customers, and also in terms of proactive monitoring of different network nodes. So I guess through this book, the word is going to be open that you could achieve a lot of these things through Cisco.
Cool. John, what are some takeaways that a reader of your book, a working Cisco network administrator, can get? What bang for the buck can they expect?
Well, I think one of the great things the book shows you is you could even run a web server on the router and develop your own application for whatever you need to do. We can build that application on top of iOS and have the results presented to the user in an easy-to-use website. So it's really very customizable. It's very flexible. It's kind of you can use it. I like to think of it as a Swiss Army knife, where you can do whatever you need to get done on the router. It lets you do that.
Very cool. How about composing the book? Did you guys collaborate together on each chapter, or did you divide the book into thirds? How did that work?
We worked on each chapter because what we did was Ray's from the field side, I'm from the design AS side, and John, of course, is a developer who's developed the book. So three of us put all our minds together to develop each thing. But also we have certain individual components based on our expertise on each chapter. So it was a more collaborative work where you get the field, the internal AS, this thing, and also the developer also working together to get the material out.
Ray, John, anything additional to add?
Not necessarily. As we talked about, part of the premise for this whole book really was to help people, understand it's not just about TCL. It's also about applets.
Yeah.
And there are a lot of other, things that are in this book. John mentioned the Swiss Army knife. He talked about a couple of different topics. But it's everything from writing scripts to be able to determine whether or not the default gateway is up and active, to writing a web-based interface, having a graphical representation of data. So the capability is almost limitless in what you want to do, and if there are specific applications that you want to craft, TCL is really the way to do that.
Final question, I'll direct this to you, John. A book like this, I'm sure, is going to have recipes, right? Code samples.
Yes.
Do you have those available online or
Yes.
in the attached DVD for customers? How does that work?
Yes, there's a website where the readers can download all the scripts that you find in the book. They're all listed there, and it can help you out if you want to just take the example you see in the book. You can just download it and start running it. And I think it's great. I really hope the book will help people make use of a lot of things like TCL and Embedded Event Manager, which I think are really underutilized. I think we'll get the awareness out there and really help. I'm really hoping that it helps people understand the features we have.
Cool. Well, there you have it, everybody, and thanks, gentlemen, for taking the time to chat with us. Thanks.